Now I would like to tell you a bit about the Finite DOM, a powerful new utility that allows you to properly project your HDRI. If you have received a project without any exterior and you're wondering what type of environment to put it in, you can use a dome light with an HDRI. This way, you can easily add a 360-degree projection image of an exterior instead of manually creating one. Or you can capture your own 360-degree image of a real-world plot and use it as an environment for your project. Let me demonstrate how it works. Just by adding a dome light with an HDRI to represent the environment of your project, you can already get a pretty good reference. But we can't truly immerse ourselves in the environment. That's because with just an HDRI, we don't get the proper depth perception. So let's change that by enabling the new Finite DOM option. The ground blend blends between the horizon line and our ground. By increasing the projection height, we can control the scale of the dome light. All these options should be adjusted based on your HDRI.